So I'm here going to ICC. This is the terminal of bus. I think number 23, 22. And that's the other side is train. That is tram. And this is train station, international train. That's in the down. So this is Den Haag, Netherlands. So I'm going to, this is a Den Haag, Netherlands. See? So after here, I took from Antwerpen, Rotterdam, then Den Haag, Gouda, then Den Haag. So now I'm going to, this is the last, I take a bus. If you want to take a bus, take number 22 or number 23. Further to the Starbucks, there's a ticketing office for getting a bus. So I was there. So this is the Den Haag. So now that's the schedule. I need to check my 22. So I think 22. Number 22 within 7 minutes. So I need to go inside. So this is the Den Haag station, Central Station. So I'm going in to take my bus. That is 45. So I'm going to 22. Because I'm a little late because of the train schedule. 2 train going to Rotterdam was cancelled, so I'm late. Better late than never, no? Ang dami pa namang Pilipina doon, so we meet each other na lang, say hi and hello, talk about that Tatay Duterte, Tatay Digong. We're going to ICC. I'm going to ICC. Okay guys, I continue make a video after when I'm in ICC. So 22 the skip station Resweer 29. So Den Haag Dom, I think at 22. Okay, bye.